योग वशिष्ठ 10:12 says, अपारावार विस्तारा संबित सलिल वर्गने सीधे कारणव एकोयम स्वयं आत्मा विजिमृते. The self alone, which is sourceless, unobstructed ocean of consciousness, manifests on its own like the water waves in one ocean of consciousness. वाक्य सुधा 14 says, सृष्टि नाम ब्रह्म रूपे सच्चिदानंद वस्तुनि अब्धो फेनादि वत् सर्वम नाम रूप प्रसारणम. Srishti or creation, like the foam or so forth in the ocean, is the expansion of imaginary names and forms on Brahman, which is of the nature of existence, consciousness, bliss. Verse 10:13 says, Varitases Dekunjam Anantakas Nirvaram Ek Vastu Jagat Sarvam Chinmatram Bhari Bambudhi. As the ocean is nothing but water, this entire universe is nothing but consciousness, one without a second, which pervades in all directions, stretches throughout the creepers, plants and the like, omnipresent like infinite space and free from all directions. Verse 10:14 says, Niransantvat Bhyuktvacho तथा अनस्वर भावता ब्रह्म व्योमनो न भेदो अस्ति चैतन्यम ब्रह्मणो अधिकम. There is no difference between Brahman and space from the standpoint of the partless, all-pervasive and imperishable nature. However, consciousness is additional in Brahman. Being inanimate, space does not have that consciousness. Adhyatma Ramayana 2:6 says, Sukhasya dukhasya na koapi data paro dadati iti kubuddhi resa aham karomi iti vrithabhimana karmakya sutra gachito hi loka. No one can bestow happiness or misery. The idea that others cause misery and happiness is utterly false. It is futile to have pride of doership such as I am doing something. Every created being is strung on the thread of one's own karmas. Ashtabhakra Gita 16:10 says, Yasabhimano mokshepi dehepi mamta yatha navagyani nev yogi kevalam dukbhagso. One who has the prideful idea that I am free, yet at the same time whose ego identity remains in the body, is neither a person of wisdom nor a yogi. He only continues to suffer in different ways due to ego identifications. Ashtabhakra Gita 16:11 says, हरो यदि उपदेष्टा थे हरि कमल जो विवा तथापि तम न स्वास्थम सर्व विस्मरणादृते. Even if Shiv himself or Vishnu or the lotus born Brahma is your instructor guru, your establishment in real nature or attainment of liberation is a far cry unless you totally forget all types of duality. Verse 10:15 says, Nistarango ati gambhira sandra anand sudharnava madhurya एक रसाधारा एक एव अस्ति सर्वता. There is only one ocean of nectar in all directions, which is free from waves, extremely unfathomable, condensed bliss, and substratum of all sweetness. Varaha Upanishad 2:22 says, Agyasya dukhodmayam, yasyanandamayam jagat, andham bhuvnam andhasya, prakasam tu susukshasa. To the ignorant, world is full of sorrow, but for the wise, the world is full of bliss. Just as the world appears to be full of darkness to a blind person and fully resplendent to a man with eyes. Chandogya Upanishad 7:23 says, Yo vai bhuma tat sukham, no alpe sukham asti, bhumev sukham. That which indeed is infinite, that is joy or happiness. There is no happiness infinite. The infinite alone is happiness.